what's up you guys? Hope you guys can see me. I can't see shit. Oh, it's just the glasses that I'm wearing. That's crazy. So thanks for tuning in. So this is kind of like a late video. I mean, technically I have been just busy with work every day, non-stop, working double time, making overtime, and whatnot. As you may have seen already in my Instagram post, if you follow me at the Devin Roy, I've got new wheels, and pretty much I bought used wheels from another buyer that I spotted on Marketplace, and I got them for a sweet price. Got them for like $1,000 for steel for the type of wheels that they are. Basically, they're in rough shape. They still hold up air. There's no cracks, no serious dents in the inner barrels. Nothing was like welded from a previous crack. Still good. The only thing is it just has curb rashes on all four lips, and I think one or two wheels. I think it's just one, but it's missing like 6 hardware on one wheel, but the rest is, but it's holding up air. And I checked it out. Currently, I am running. Been running them for like 2 weeks now, and so far, I mean, like, it's not leaking air on the tire. It's pretty much sealed. I'm sure if I'm going to get like a whole new set of hardware for all 4 wheels, or just get the amount I need to replace the ones that are missing. So far, so good. It's running pretty smooth. I do rub a lot. And I got some clips that, you know, of me and Kyle just installing the wheels and whatnot. So yeah, check it out. Alright, so today we're gonna put on my new wheels. So I really do hope they're gonna fit perfect. Hopefully. Because now I don't think we're gonna have to roll the fenders, but on this car, I don't think we can roll them. I feel like we have to cut them, but we'll see. It's gonna look too hot, boy. Oh wow, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna say so. I mean, that is a tire poke right there. That's gonna have some good poke. That's pretty good. I mean, wow. Holy shit. Yeah.
Yeah, these things looks fucking clean as fuck, dude. Dude, even if you got those fucking overs and they were just primered.
I'm pretty hype on these. Look at the last one to do. Alright. Perfect. So we got the came out pretty sick. So we just cut to the chase. We came over, we threw them on right away, and oh my god, it looks amazing. Oh god. I mean, of course I do have a lot of poke, but I get away with it. That's perfect. I mean, I can get away with it. So my thoughts on these wheels on the E46. Gotta say, I'm really happy on how they came out. God damn. We did have to raise the fronts a little bit, like 1.25 inches, because it was rubbing every time I'm turning, and we were able to match the front and the rear height, so it's all perfect. That's crazy. Oh yeah, that's pretty sick. test drive. Oh man, I know I'm going to what?
Fucking tire, bro.
I'm saying. Is that,
Just send it and see what happens. And then come back in. If we have to, we have to, bro.
what's the other side look like? Oh wait, why is it so different? Is it because of the ground, you think?
Yeah, so just take a drive and see what happens.
Alright.
Think that helped at all or no?
I don't know. We're gonna see the ride quality on. Oh man, I don't know if I can see that well. Oh my god. I don't know what's going on right now. They're arguing about something. Thank you, we appreciate your order from our eBay store. Global Auto Parts. Another break.
Yeah. This is the start of the hard fuck you. I was gonna say this is the start of the horror movie. Oh. It works.
Oh my god. Alright, hey, what's up you guys? Thanks for tuning in. So that's pretty much it of what went down on that day after getting the wheels. So as of right now, it's a week from now. It's been driving pretty good. Doesn't really rub as much anymore. I think it just like broke itself in. So just got some other parts that are coming in on the that are coming in soon. And I just received my tune file back from Arcade Tunes. So that's gonna be the next step, just getting this car finally tuned and get the rest in and dial it in for once, and hopefully getting on the track soon. So hopefully we can do that sometime this week or something. Just gotta get all this stuff from work. Blah. But anyways, we'll see you guys later. See ya.